This is a review of REXBETI wrenches, and what makes them different is these are flex head wrenches. So you can see you get this full set from 8 millimeters to, I believe, 17 millimeters. So if I take one of them out, you can see exactly what it's like. This is what they refer to as the flex head. It bends equally in both directions. Okay. And every single one of these goes to at least 90 degrees. The ratcheting mechanism works on all of them, but I think the quality is probably not as good as on some of the best brands, but this is far from being as expensive as those, so I think it's a decent buy for the money. The case itself takes up a lot of space, as you can see. I don't think it's particularly useful. It would be, I might replace it with just a cloth to store all of these in. That's all. Thank you very much.